Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Facebook login in Adalo Marketplace apps. To authenticate with Facebook login in Adalo Marketplace apps, start by logging into your Adalo account. Once logged in, create a new app or select an existing one from your dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section of your app. In the Settings menu, locate the External Collections tab. Click on it to set up an external collection for Facebook login. Next, you'll need to create a Facebook developer account if you don't have one already. Visit the Facebook for Developers website and sign in using your Facebook account. Once logged in, click on My Apps at the top right corner, then select Create App, choose Consumer as the app type and fill in the required details. After creating the app, you will be redirected to the app dashboard. In the dashboard, go to Settings on the left sidebar and select Basic. Here, you will find your app ID and app secret, which you will need later. Now, navigate to the Add a Product section on the left sidebar. Select Facebook Login from the list of products, then click Set Up. Follow the prompts to configure the Facebook login settings. In the Valid OAuth Redirect URL field, enter the redirect URL provided by Adalo. This URL can typically be found under the Adalo Facebook login settings. Once configured, click Save Changes to ensure all settings are updated. Return to your Adalo app and locate the Authentication section. Here, you will add Facebook Login as a login option. Select Facebook Login from the authentication options available. You will need to input the app ID and app secret you obtained earlier. Save your changes to finalize the integration. Once everything is set up, preview your app to ensure that the Facebook login works correctly. Test the login process by attempting to sign in using your Facebook account. If successful, you will be authenticated and redirected within your app. If you encounter any issues, double-check your app settings in both Adalo and Facebook for any discrepancies. Congratulations, you have successfully integrated Facebook login into your Adalo Marketplace app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.